Hi everyone, welcome to part 2, or just video number 2 of our series here. We're going to do an easy meal prep recipe, boiled eggs, right? Everyone's favorite. These are awesome because you can eat them for a quick breakfast, a quick snack on the go, add them to your lunch by chopping them into a Cobb salad, chef salad. You could make deviled eggs if you want to get a little fancy and use those for a snack or a meal. All right, so let's get started and show you how easy it is. So this is a little steamer rack that comes with your Instant Pot. You might have one that looks like this. So these are great for boiled eggs because they sit perfectly in the middle of your Instant Pot, and it makes a nice little rack so the boiled eggs don't roll around on the bottom. So we're just gonna take, I have a half dozen eggs here. You can do up to a full dozen for the same time frame. So we're gonna put in our half a dozen eggs. Nicely, I kind of just space them out evenly. If you have 12, they'll be a little closer together, but it still shouldn't be a problem because they kind of fit nicely in this rack here. Okay, we're gonna add a cup of water. We're gonna take our lid, lock it into place by turning it clockwise here so it's towards the close. We heard it lock. All we have to do is hit pressure cook. Now we can adjust the time. You can see mine is set for 6 minutes, so I'm gonna leave it right there. You can do anywhere from about 3 to 7 minutes. 3 is gonna get you a nice soft boiled egg where the yolk is nice and soft and creamy on the inside. 7 is gonna be fully hard, and everywhere in between is gonna get you a little more towards soft, medium, or a little more towards hard, right? So 6 minutes is gonna be a medium / hard where your egg yolk is almost all the way cooked through. So it's on, it's gonna come to pressure. Once it comes to pressure, which will take 8 to 10 minutes or so, it's gonna cook, it's gonna count down from that 6 minutes. Okay, we've hit 0 minutes. We're gonna hit the quick release button. You're gonna hit that valve, you're gonna watch your hand, right? You're gonna let that steam come out. Like I said, don't keep it under a counter because it can condensate, under a cabinet, because it'll catch all that steam under there. Boom, okay. Our float valve sank down, we know it's ready. We can turn it counterclockwise towards open. You can hear it counting down, releasing, right? It let go, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a pair of tongs, we're gonna take out our eggs and we're gonna put them into an ice water bath or cold water, either very cold water or ice water, and let them sit in there for at least a minute, and that's just gonna help you get the eggshells off even easier. So we have our boiled eggs here. Just gonna let them cool for at least a minute in the cold water, and then when they're done, you can crack them and peel them. You can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator and use them for, like I said, meals, quick breakfast, on the go snacks, whatever you need. Easy meal prep. We'll see you again for the next video.